Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, February 27th. I'm Giovanni Benacourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Well, good news isn't good news, and bad news is good news. Make any sense? No. You're not alone. Investors are having a tough time with it too. And here are the basics about it. From consumer spending to jobs, we've got a wave of strong economic data recently. Stocks go down when upbeat economic data comes out. Investors don't like the good news because it means the Fed is going to carry on with restrictive monetary policy. Hence, good news equals bad news. But the catch is that investors and companies, in theory, should want robust economic data to keep coming, despite the potential for more interest rate hikes, because those numbers are exactly what can stave off a deep recession. The better that good news looks, the more likely it is that the economy can sidestep a downturn. To be sure, inflation remains hot, as we saw in Friday's personal consumption expenditure data, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. Stocks tumble on the higher than expected reading. The falling stocks come after a breakneck start to the year, as retail investors have piled record amounts into the stock market over the last 2 months, despite warnings from Wall Street giants that the bear market isn't over. Market rally that looks so promising is running out of steam. The S&P 500 has now finished lower 3 weeks in a row. The Dow Jones Industrial has given up its gains for the year. Volatility is rising, along with demand for put options to protect against losses. The hope that as goes January, so goes the year is looking like a meaningless aphorism. It's especially disheartening after a disastrous 2022 and feels like deja vu all over again. Just like this time a year ago, the economy is humming, but inflation is too fast, and the Federal Reserve will have to break up the party. That's bad for stocks, and there's no question about that. All that being said, let's take a look at what we can expect out of the markets today. Well, in front of us we have the Nasdaq. So Friday, we saw that it was right across the board. We obviously closed down lower on Friday, but we have opened with a gap up today, and the market is nicely, steadily coming back up. So I am going to hop on that momentum, and I will be going long on the equities as also for the S&P 500, as well as for the Dow. Okay. As far as crude oil goes, I'm gonna say out for crude oil today. I think that crude oil for today is going to be just stalling. It's going to be really side trading, very low volume in it. So I will be staying out of it for now. But Nat Gas is looking promising. It rebounded from a $2 low. It did. I mean, it created on the 22nd of February, and from here it has really rallied up. Now we have here a nice market resistance at 2.65, and that's where the market is at right now. So if the momentum is to continue, then we should obviously be able to hop on the wagon and go long with that gas. I have a very uh, short, very tight resistance level, or, so that could probably be reached real quick today. And then we have gold, 1800s, the support, the psychological support. It didn't really come down to it, but what, 10, $11 shy of it. But gold is looking to regain some of those losses. So I'll be going buying some positions in gold. As far as silver goes, silver is the one that is looking to. It did move lower to the support, but it has bounced off of it. The RSI is in over oversold territory, so a nice rally to the upside could be in the workings. Let's see. And copper, after breaking that $4 marker, it continued to move lower, and now it has opened with a gap up. So that gap up is going to. I'm gonna hop on that rally or on the momentum to the upside on copper as well. Then we have Bitcoin, 24,000 right now is what Bitcoin is looking to come back up to. I'm out of Bitcoin. And then we have the currency is the euro. Euro is looking to stay above 105.50 uh, to come back up to 106. So that could probably be the case. I am long in the euro. I am long in the pound. Pound is obviously also looking to come back up to 120, and that will happen if the dollar index continues to drop. And let's see if it ends at around the 104.50 marker. So that will help my positions long that I have in the market that I just mentioned. So keep that in mind. All right, that will be it for me today. Have a fantastic trading day. I'll see you tomorrow.